Sammy, here it comes. She says you need an expert manager out here to help. I'm gonna resolder it back on like I did this one. Hopefully that'll help me get spark out of this one. There's water sealed up in there. Alright, got the end trimmed off. It was just a few little rusty little things on the end. It gives it more pressure. Put your hand on there, clears it up. Vaseline. I ran out of flux. Ooh, see that solder going? I took the front part of this carburetor apart, and there was a ton of slime up in here. There's no way that thing could have even worked